Magic Internet Coins Explained, Bitcoin and Ethereum for Beginners. A long time ago, people traded things like apples, chickens, and shiny stones to get what they needed. Then, they started using coins and paper money. Fast forward to today, where we buy things with cards and phones. But recently, a new type of money appeared called cryptocurrency. Let's go on a magical journey to learn about it. 2009, the arrival of the first magic coin, Bitcoin. In 2009, a mysterious person named Satoshi Nakamoto created the very first magic internet coin. They called it Bitcoin. But Bitcoin wasn't like normal money. You couldn't touch it, and you wouldn't find it in your pocket. Instead, it lived in computers around the world, on something called a blockchain. Think of blockchain as a super secret, unbreakable notebook. Every time someone uses Bitcoin, the transaction gets written in this notebook. And the coolest part? No single person or bank controls it. It's safe because every computer with this notebook agrees on what's inside, so no one can cheat. 2015, a new magic coin with superpowers, Ethereum. In 2015, a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin introduced a new coin called Ethereum. Ethereum was special. Not only was it digital money like Bitcoin, but it could also run magical smart contracts. Smart contracts are like instructions that follow certain rules automatically. Imagine you're buying a ticket to a movie online. With a smart contract, Ethereum could check if you paid and then instantly send you the ticket. No waiting or middleman needed. This made Ethereum popular, especially for creating games and digital tools. The present. Where to find these magic coins? With so many magic coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, people needed places to buy and trade them. So they created exchanges. An exchange is like a big digital marketplace where people buy, sell, or trade their magic coins. Some famous exchanges are Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Think of them like special shops where you can get and trade these coins. Future adventure. What could magic coins do next? Now, people are using cryptocurrencies more and more. Some people dream that one day we might use magic coins to buy everyday things like snacks or toys without needing banks or paying big fees. Imagine sending magic coins to a friend in another country and they receive it in seconds, like a superpower. But with great power comes great responsibility. People are working to make cryptocurrencies safer and easier to use. Maybe someday, we'll live in a world where magic coins help make things faster and fairer. Vocabulary to learn. Bitcoin, meaning the first digital coin created in 2009 that you can't touch or hold in your hand. Example, he learned that Bitcoin is a special kind of money on the internet. Ethereum, meaning a digital coin that can also run smart contracts to do things automatically. Example, Ethereum helps people make deals online without needing a middleman. Blockchain, meaning a secure, unbreakable online notebook that records every transaction. Example, blockchain makes it safe to use Bitcoin because everyone can see the record. Exchange, meaning a digital marketplace where people buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrencies. Example, she went to an exchange to buy her first piece of Bitcoin. Smart contract, meaning a digital agreement that works automatically if certain rules are met. Example, the smart contract sent him his movie ticket as soon as he paid online.